Hey everyone, Tony Winston here for Jazz Piano College, and I've been a little sad about the way my numbers have been falling lately on YouTube, and it's because I just haven't put up enough videos. And so I'm going to put up a short video every day for the rest of the month, and I'm going to start this as a new series, and we're going to call it Stride Piano Summit. And the reason I'm calling it this is because it's not just going to be stuff that I know. I'm going to go to all the sources that I know of to share the secrets of stride piano, from the masters. And, I'm going to start with Art Tatum and work my way backwards. Fats Waller, James P. Johnson, even Scott Joplin. And I will say that these videos will probably be useful even if you're not into playing stride piano. We're going to talk about some of the improvisational runs and things that Art Tatum and Fats Waller did. And we're going to talk about harmony and reharmonization, which when you're doing these tenths and thirds and sixths and things like that in the left hand, all the different chords that can be applied by those. And what I'm going to cover here is something that Fats Waller did. Boogie Woogie is kind of a part of this style as well. So as well as using recordings, I'm using some of the printed material that I have. And this is Fats Waller's Boogie Woogie Conceptions. And this was printed back in 1943. So one thing that Fats does is one of his left-hand devices is this little pattern. And I've heard him do this. I learned this years ago, this little thing. Now, I didn't find that in this book, but what he does is a little blues here. He goes... Yeah, right there. I see those 16th notes and I think like that, but they're sixlets, whatever you call those. There's no fingering here in this book. Is the two-fingered runs. And there's a guy who explains them really well on YouTube, and I will link, when I get around to it, I will link to his channel and his videos. He's a really good stride player, and he sounds like Art Tatum. Anyway, just to notice some of the predominant rhythms of 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and that kind of comes from the ragtime thing. That is a very common rhythm in ragtime. Anyway, that's it for today. So look down in the description if you want to print out the music that I just played, and have fun with it. All right, see you tomorrow.